Hi, my name's Matt Halsey, Applications Manager at Servomex. Today we're going to be unboxing our OxyDetect product. This is a paramagnetic life safety area monitor, available in both hazardous and safe area form. It's an oxygen depletion monitor used in various industrial and laboratory applications. It's worth noting all our packaging is drop tested to ensure the product arrives to you safely. So let's take a look in the box. So the first thing we find in the box is our loose items kit. Now this includes various product manuals, our operator manual, safety manual, and optionally our hazardous area manual. We have our calibration piece, and we have a couple of spare fuses. Then of course the OxyDetect itself. It weighs around 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds, which means it's a very light device, very easy to install by a single person. It's 210 by 200 by 106 millimeters. The OxyDetect has a number of exterior features. We have the display and keypad here on the front, the calibration piece. We also have our alarm and fault LED indicators. We have a number of conduit entries on the outside for cabling, earth stud, an enclosure breather, and here on the side our rating and ID label with the all-important serial number, and optionally a hazardous area certification label here on the top. So the OxyDetect can be easily wall mounted by a single person thanks to its size and weight. It can also be opened with minimal tools. So let's have a look inside. So inside we have the customer interface board, which consists of the relay outputs, and the relays are used to indicate faults and alarm conditions. We have the DC power input. We have the Modbus Ethernet output. Now over on this side, we have our award-winning Paracube Modus. This is a medical sensor proven in the medical market, and it was awarded the Queen's Award for Innovation in 2016. The OxyDetect can be easily integrated into a third-party gas detection system via its milliamp output or Modbus Ethernet port. It's also easily integrated into safety systems thanks to its SIL2 hardware rating. The OxyDetect is powered by a 24-volt DC supply, which would be supplied from the third-party gas detection system that it is integrated into. On power up, the OxyDetect will go through a simple startup procedure, and Servomex recommend that the unit is left for around 45 minutes to stabilise and settle. After initial setup, it's recommended that the OxyDetect is calibrated. This is a very easy procedure that the user can perform, and just involves this supplied calibration piece being fitted to the front of the unit and the other end being connected to one of 2 calibration gases that are needed, nitrogen for 0 and air for span. And what I'll do now is quickly demonstrate what would happen during an oxygen depletion scenario. So as you can see, during an oxygen depletion situation, the reading on the screen will drop and an alarm will activate at a preset oxygen level that is lower than ambient air. The OxyDetect is designed to be a fit and forget product, which means it needs no service contract and only requires periodic calibration every 3 to 6 months, which can easily be performed by the user. It uses non-depleting paramagnetic technology, which needs no replacement or top-up, unlike traditional electrochemical oxygen gas detectors. Of course, if you do need maintenance or advice, you can contact Servomex's global service network. Thanks for joining me today to unbox the OxyDetect. To request a quote or download resources, visit servomex.com or contact your local business centre.